Next up, we have a question from Raghunandan from Tamil Nadu, and he wants to know what stocks he should buy. So, Swati, based on the texture of the market today, what stocks do you have a buy call on?
Yeah, I would like to give a buy call on two buy calls at the current level. Sun Pharma is really looks good on the technical front. This particular counter is just really doing very well. And in the yesterday's market also, we have seen a very good bounce back rally. It will act as a defensive counter. Currently, the stock is trading at 1380 levels. No wonder it's trading at the higher level, but at least 20-30% can be taken buy call at the CMP, and any dips to come towards to 1320, I believe it will be a good enough opportunity to take a buy call. Downside, it has a very good support at around 1250 levels, so one can hold their long position. I'm looking for a target of 1600 to 1700 levels on the high side. Another counter is that is the Indus Tower. This particular stock is also really doing very well in this kind of a market. On the monthly chart, the stock has given the cup and handle formations breakout, and for non-stop, it's really doing very well from 210 levels. At the current market price, one can also take a long position. 231 is the current CMP. 210 is the immediate support level. So one can keep a stop loss of 210 and take a buy call for immediate target of 270 to 280 levels on high side.
Got it. Okay, so Senthil's asking this next question, and uh, look, I think it's important to address this as well. He's asking about penny stocks. Sort of, a few of these names have done incredibly well, and I guess to a certain extent that is driving the appetite for them, but it's a dangerous game to play, right? Suzlon, for example, made a tremendous recovery, and if you think about it, Vodafone Idea has also made a tremendous recovery from the low point, right? But can you very quickly in 30 seconds explain why it's not necessarily a winning game?
I think it is largely the gains in the penny stocks comes when there is a gush of liquidity chasing, markets. A lot of money is coming to the riskier assets, and there is a huge volatility in small companies' business profiles. For example, as you said, Suzlon. I think Suzlon, there is some kind of a change in the operation metrics. I think company is improving its financials. The debt got restructured, the business is prospects are improving, and that is why we saw the stock re-rated. But on the other side, Vodafone Idea, I don't think so. Fortune can ever change for this company. The balance sheet is too heavy, the debt is too high, and the company is making less money and the ARPU is losing its customer. So I think it is a very difficult game to play. It only looks rosy at the screen, but when you jump into, you can lose your all your.
Yeah, fair point. Because while the gains might be substantial, just a 20% or a 30% drop would mean that a lot of your gains are wiped out, right? Let's talk about South Indian Bank then, because Senthil is asking about a specific view, Swati, on South Indian Bank for less than a year. Would you suggest a fresh entry at this price?
See, already the bank has given a very good rally from 26 to 33 levels. I will not suggest to take a buy call at the current market price, but definitely it's one of the very good stock which can perform very well in the future as well. If you're getting any dips towards to between 30 to 28 level, one can take a long position because at that level the risk reward will be a favorable. Downside 24 level is acting as a very strong support level. So one can take a long position, any dips towards between the range of 28 to 30. I'm looking for a target of 45 to 50 levels on high side.